Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be going over what I got in my regular Ipsy bag as well as my plus bag for January of 2023. Very crazy that it is now January 1st and I'm doing my very first video of the year actually in 2023 because I still have two more that I need to post. But this is the first Ipsy bags of the year and I'm so excited to get into it. Plus, this bag is oddly so freaking soft. I love this bag so much. Like, I just want to keep touching it. Anyways, if you are into these types of videos from me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I want to start out by saying thank you to everyone who has continued to support me on this channel. This year is going to be a lot different because I am going to be on the YouTube quite a lot. I have big plans this year, so I hope that you stick around with me and you enjoy all the content that's going to be coming up this year. And thank you so much for everyone who entered my giveaway last month for the Ipsy glam bags. Someone did win, and congratulations to her. So anyways, into this video. This is the theme, the year of you, and that is very true to what I am seeking this year, which is a very manifesting, wishing, wildest dreams. That is what my personal goal is this year. Let me know down below if you want a video of me telling you guys the goals that I want to achieve this year and my vision board, my mood board, if you will. But anyways, here we go, and thank you as always to Ipsy for sending these products to me. Love you so much. Let's go in with this bag first. So first product that I'm pulling out, and I hope that I've put all the products in the right bags. I have a makeup brush from the brand Half Caked. This is their 816 crease brush. It's this really pretty light purple shade. Let me fix the lighting to my camera just a little bit because I feel like it's very light. Okay. There, now everything's looking a lot better. So this is the brush, super cute, and we love a crease brush. I think everyone loves a crease brush. And then we have this little quad palette here. Let me open it so I can show you. Obviously. Oh, I have to open it even more. Here's the outer packaging. This is the brand. This is the Nebula Shimmer Palette. So this is the shades. Super cute, very cranberry-ish, purpley, cute. Love that. And then we have here, oh, okay, yeah, the NARS. I did not highly talk about this in my spoiler video. I have the shade Dulce Vita. I just don't like the scent of these. I don't like the taste that it gives in my mouth. Yeah, see, it still has that scent that I just cannot stand. It's very strong, and I actually have had this shade before. I feel like this is one of those shades that every time they have the mini little chub lip pencils, this is the one that they always give. It's like this shade and another one. So if you guys get this in your bag, just take a nice big whiff and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. I cannot stand that scent. So I will not be using this, unfortunately. I will give that to somebody that actually will enjoy the scent. And then also in the regular bag, I got the Dew of the Gods Feels Mini Squalene and Oat Milk Dry Erase Facial Scrub. Really, really pretty packaging. Let me open it up because it is sealed completely, which is definitely fantastic. We love a good product that is extremely sealed up, so you know it has not been used, hasn't been tampered with, you know, yada yada yada. And this is what the packaging looks like. Really pretty. Wow, this is going to be the year of you'll never get to see what product I'm showing you because it's just not gonna focus. But let me give it a whiff. Let's see what it smells like. Another safety seal, you gotta love it. It smells like Christmas. That's strange. It literally I can't think of the scent name, but it definitely smells like Christmas. And it has little scrubbies in it, so that's good. But it smells like Christmas, so if you get this and you smell it, you'll be like, okay, I get what she means, and then maybe you'll be able to pinpoint the flavor of scent, but I can't think of it. And then I have this Rebel Eye Definer Pencil by, I think that's that brand that I couldn't pronounce that one day, and you guys were telling me what this actually is. I just cannot see with the font, so this is just a black liner. Oh, and it's actually very black, so we love that. Love that. And that is everything in this little baby right here. Now we're gonna go with the Ipsy Plus bag. This one's much more of a skincare heavy bag, which isn't completely my favorite, but there are some really good products in here. So the first one I got is the Milk Makeup Rise Mascara, Lift Length Volume. So let's see what the packaging looks like. Oh. It has this like jelly-ish kind of outer packaging over the actual like product. And here's the wand. I'll probably start using this one because my Arcelli one is almost out. I got that in Ipsy, and that's probably one of the best mascaras I've used in such a long time. The Arcelli Black Mascara. You guys should definitely try that. I think it has butterflies on it, but this packaging is like really weird. It's like a silicone package or something. I wonder if you're supposed to take it off. Probably not, but yeah. Okay, so I wasn't expecting that when I felt the packaging when I was letting the mascara out of the box. It didn't feel like mascara. Anyways, next up we have from Hey Honey the Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. I was actually really excited about this product, and I'm glad that I have it because I do want to give this a try. Hey Honey is a really good brand, and just Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask sounds like a really good product that a good flavor I want to put on my face and smell. I can open the packaging. Okay. I can't, oh, there's a safety seal. I'm like, I can't smell anything. Okay. Oh yeah. That smells so good. Okay. I cannot wait to put that on my face. So good. Okay. Next up, we have from Fleur and B, the Nectar of the Sea Vitamin C Serum. This is another product that I talked about in my spoilers. Here is the packaging. I love how this is like rose gold, super cute, and it does have a safety seal, so I love that. And then the last two products, we have this one from Tarte. This is the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. Let's see. I've never tried any of Tarte's skincare, so I am happy to give this a try. This is the packaging that you cannot see because why would the camera want you to see it? I don't know. It says Tarte in there. Actually, it smells pretty fresh. It has like a fresh scent to it, so I'm excited to try that out. And then lastly, I have this product from Cheyenne B Miami. It's a lip gloss in the shade Besitos. Looks like it's going to be a really pretty pink. Let me just take a look at the color. Oh, yeah, this is really, really pretty. But I really just don't wear lip gloss all that often, so I probably won't get any use out of this, so I will pass this along. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Let me know down below what you guys got in your bag. What was your choices for Plus and all of that, because tomorrow is choice day, so let me know what Ipsy picked out for you. Let me know what your choices were in each category, what you got, what you chose for your bag and the overall bag value, and send screenshots of everything and send it to me over on Instagram. I feel like I might be doing a video tomorrow on people's choices for science because I haven't done it in a while, so definitely send over your bags for sure so I can compare and we can all compare together. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!